What is up, everybody? Welcome to another brand new day here in Richmond. It is turning out to be yet another beautiful day. I'm working at the same time today as I did yesterday, so I gotta be ready in about 7 hours. Just like I said, everyone, beautiful day. And also 5 o'clock clock in at work. So yeah, I gotta be ready by 4:30. Because then I'm going to be heading out to work. My family should be back by then, because today they should be at the Bellwood Flea Market. Well, I don't know for certain. It is 10:01 right now, guys. It's just like I said, I opened a new channel, and I'm canceling out the old paranormal channel. My new channel is 510 Paranormal and Explorations. So yeah, it'll be included in the links. If it helps any, I'll point out which is which. Well, guys, it is 11:48. I got about 6. Yeah, got about 4, just under 4 hours, just under 6 hours before I have to start heading to work. Kind of fell asleep along the way. Again, I don't know why I fall asleep like that. I don't know why I keep doing that, but I do. Oh yeah, and I forgot to mention, the other night I saw a weird mist over there. Came out of nowhere. And this thing just tried to focus on something. There is some weird activity that's going on around here. Not a lot, but it's there. This was a battlefield after all. Look at the beauty of that. Wow. That is really cool to look at. If you look at that, I just found me the perfect little hiding space. Look at this. No one's gonna see us in here. Guys, I've just been hanging out here since I found this little spot. I looked a little more at the way these things are kind of sticking together. I may actually be able to build something out of it. I don't know for sure, but let's just go ahead and go back to the room. Quiet in there. Gives you that feeling. Sorry guys about the noise. Motorcycles. People like to show off with them. It's annoying, really. I wonder if I can find some other high value stuff that I found. Ooh, there's a kitty cat. I just saw a cat. To be honest, I'm gonna have to start exploring more areas of the woods. See if I can find any other cool stuff. The cat I spotted, guys, was going through here. This section here. Found the perfect piece, found the perfect thing to turn into a tiny home, everyone. Look at that. Hell, I'll even give you guys a good view on it. And look at that. It's perfect. It's perfect, everyone. Imagine how much I'd enjoy living in that. And yes, guys, I will make sure there's internet. That's one thing that's definitely for certain. 12 by 24, let's see how much that is in square feet. And yes, guys, I have a video playing. This is just some ad, but the video was a tiny house video. There we go. Now, 12 times 24. Should be 288 square feet, guys. I'd be in over 200 square feet. One thing's for sure, I don't need a giant amount of space, but I do need space. And I'd like to be able to live in a place of my own at some point. Sure, if you guys remember me mentioning this, but let me show you why I think I can build something out of it. Look at the way these sticks are just kind of sitting there like that. And it's doing the same over here. Just look at the way they're sitting. Mosquito, guys. Mosquitoes are trying to eat me up again. But look at this. I might actually be able to build something out of that. Though it won't be easy. I have to keep it lightweight and find some way to get lightweight thermals on here if I ever do that. And I'm not entirely sure I will. If anything, I'm more likely to just either get a tiny house or put a tent back here in that spot. Another thing to look forward to, my paycheck's in 2 days. I got work in about an hour and a half, so I gotta get ready for that too. But I want that paycheck. Guys, it is 4:27. I've got to start getting ready to move. Because, well, at I have to start getting ready to move within by 4:45 to 4:50, because it takes me about 5 to 10 minutes to reach the Burger King from here. Hey guys, it's time for me to get moving. Next time we see each other will be tonight. I hope you enjoy that little hiatus in between. Well guys, I got back about 10-20 minutes ago from work. Actually a good experience tonight. At least until the end when everybody started aggravating my boss. Don't really blame him, to be honest. Again, still though, he's got to get some control over that. Because that makes it harder for me to get further control over mine. That only makes it even more imperative that he at least try to control his anger, his temper, really. Yeah. Anyways, guys, let's just enjoy the night together, because it's actually nice out. There we go. That should do the job. But yeah, let's just enjoy the night, guys, because it's actually an excellent night tonight. It is chilly, guys, but not like super cold. somebody coming. I gotta be careful about that. There we go. It's that same aluminum tray. Look at that. Some random idiot wanting to use this place as a turnaround point. Sorry guys, my camera's not focusing on it for some reason. Don't know why it's doing that. This grill here keeps catching me off guard. What the heck is that? Hold on, guys. Oh, it's just a straw wrapper. Okay, I'm hearing noises. From the woods over there. I'm officially creeped out. Yeah. I don't trust anything right now after that. So yeah, I definitely need to get a paranormal video open for this. Ooh, I see Orion up there. Sweet. I'm sorry if you guys can't see it, since I got this thing in a long shutter mode instead of the mode it was in before. Now, let's see what's in here. No sign of anyone living in there. I'm still trying to figure out what that was that I heard that night, on Halloween night. Because that really startled me. Look at this. Makes it a little too easy to peek in there. See a little bit of what's in there. You need to fix that. Heck, look at that. Just as easy. Shows you how irresponsible the owners of this motel are. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. And I'm sorry it was a little unentertaining again. Even so, if you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and smash that like button. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, and also don't forget to turn on post notifications. That way you can all be notified of every new video posted on my channel. Anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed your day, and I will see you next video.